Hello students, hope you are all well. So in today's episode, we will talk about MBA entrance tests. NMAT is a common entrance test which students often take for their MBA course in premium institutions. So in today's episode, I will talk about details about NMAT examination pattern, NMAT 2021 timetable, and also I will guide you through the NMAT registration process. And along with that, we will also discuss about colleges which are accepting NMAT score. Before I go into detailed video, I would like to request you to like and subscribe Apna College YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share this channel link with your friends, and also press the bell icon so whenever regarding MBA entrance tests any video is uploaded in this channel, you are the first one to get the update. So let us now talk about NMAT. NMAT is the management entrance test initially conducted by NMIMS University, Narsimonji Institute of Management Studies. But in recent days, it is being conducted by GMAT Authority, who is also responsible for conducting GMAT. NMAT is widely accepted and popular among students. There are reasons for that. Reason number one, NMAT score is being accepted by few of the leading business schools. Secondly, NMAT examination is very much examinee friendly. The online material practice tests are available from the official website. There is no negative marking in NMAT. And NMAT gives you flexibility to choose between the sectional orders during the test. And last but not the least, it is treated as the quality assessment test as the examining authority is GMAT. NMAT is also designed for students' convenience. If you look into the testing window, it is very much student friendly. And there is also a process for self-scheduling. So you can schedule according to your time, according to the venue available nearby you. And also you can register for NMAT from your mobile only. And after the results, you can send your scores to the accepting institutes. Now, if I have to study in the NMAT 2021 pattern, let us have a look into the sections. In the language skill sections, allotted time is 28 minutes and the number of questions is 36. In the quant section, the allotted time is 52 minutes and again you have to answer 36 number of questions. In the logical reasoning section, there is 40 minutes of time and within that period, you have to answer 36 number of questions. So, the total time period for NMAT is 120 minutes and the total number of questions what you have to answer is 72. Now, let us have a look into the college list who are accepting NMAT 2021 score. NMIMS University across all campuses and all programs, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, they are accepting NMAT score. Apart from that, ISB Hyderabad for their specific program, TAPME for their specific program, then SP Jain for their specific program are accepting NMAT score. Xavier University, Bhubaneswar and SDA Bocconi Asia, these are two prominent colleges who are accepting NMAT score as well. The list is huge. I will come up with another video on the score, the cutoff of NMAT for the list of the following colleges. I will try to also give you review on this list of colleges. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel, like and subscribe Apna College YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon whenever a new video is being uploaded on MBA entrance test. You are the first one to get the update, and also don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Now we will have a look on the NMAT timeline or the time frame for 2021. The registration has already started from 3rd August 2021 and the last date is on 10th November 2021 for registration in NMAT. The scheduling option will be open from 3rd August to 17th November. If anyone is late for the registration, with late registration fees, they can register between 11th November to 15th November. If you are talking about retake registration, that will be open from 15th October to 24th December. Rescheduling is available from 3rd August till 24th December. And retake scheduling will be available from 15th October to 24th December. So basically, if you look into the exam delivery window, that will be open from 14th October and will continue till 27th December 2021. Now let us have a look on NMAT application fees for this year 2021. Early registration fees is 2300 with applicable taxes, whereas if you are the one who is going late, that is for the late registration window, the charges are INR 2800 with applicable taxes. The retake fees is 2300 with applicable taxes. For additional score reports beyond 5 is INR 300 per score report with applicable taxes, and fees to reschedule is INR 1200 with applicable taxes. So this has been the expenditure part for if you are willing to take NMAT. Now let us talk about who can apply for NMAT. Now if you want to apply for NMAT, you must be a graduate in any discipline scoring 50% marks in graduation from a recognized university. And if you are a final year appearing student, that is you are graduating in the year 2022, in that case you can also appear. But for the specific requirements under NMAT enlisted colleges, you should check time to time of that particular website of the particular B school. So let us now take a quick look on how to register for NMAT 2021. Here I have given the website, so you should click on the website and start your registration process. Be very careful while writing your name, date of birth, email ID, phone number. Any mistake cannot be changed later on and you can be logged out of the system as well. Once you furnish your details, the payment window will open, and as specified, you have to pay the registration fees or the rescheduling fees in whichever way you are registering, and there will be options of payment by debit card or credit card or net banking. So once you pay the registration fees, now it is time to schedule your examination. Now NMAT, you can go to the center and you can give the test, or you can give proctor based NMAT from your home only. So accordingly, plan your NMAT examination looking at your convenient time and date and slot. And please note that time and date of NMAT exam slot will be available as per first come first serve basis. And last of all, once you complete your test, you have to send your score to the enlisted business schools under NMAT examination. So let me tell you few of the most important points regarding NMAT 2021. Within registering 48 hours, you have to download your admit card. Secondly, if you want to reschedule your examination, it is allowed, but it has to be done 72 hours before your specified booked time slot. The third point, no show up during your booked slot is considered as an attempt, and there are only 3 attempts being allowed in NMAT 2021. After you take the test within a specified date and slot, after 15 days gap, you can again take your second or third attempt consecutively. In order to retake the test, you have to go to your account and do the retake registration, and after that again you have to make the requisite payments and you can take the test. So this was all about NMAT 2021. If you have specific queries or any doubts, please feel free to interact with us on our social media handles, and also you can join the WhatsApp group link for clarification of your queries, and also like and subscribe Apna College YouTube channel, and also do share it with your friends, and also press the bell icon to receive updates and alerts about MBA entrance tests videos being uploaded in Apna College YouTube channel. Thank you.